Hi everyone, welcome to my Cranio Self-Care for Health channel. I am Adida Shahab, owner and founder of Wellness Integrated. I am a craniosacral therapy practitioner for more than 20 years, a trainer and a coach for my Cranio Self-Care for Health program. I'd like to invite you to join my Cranio Self-Care for Health workshop. If you have aches and pain, are feeling stressed and anxious, this workshop is for you. You will learn more about your body and how stress has an impact on your body, mind, and emotions. In 3 simple steps, you will learn to connect with your breathing to take your nervous system out of the fight-flight mode to a relaxed response mode. Especially during our present time of health challenges, it has become important we improve and maintain a healthy respiratory system so that we can promote a healthy immune system. Acquire awareness of your sensory perception, listening to and caring for your body. This will help you to recognize early imbalances in your body and symptoms before they become a crisis or illness. Restore your nervous system to a state of balance, reduce aches and pain, regain optimal function of all the other symptoms in your body, and help you maintain health and wellness. This in turn will allow you to help yourself and your family members. Join us now, in person, live in Singapore, or via Zoom online for those overseas. 4 days, Thursday to Sunday. Contact Adida Shahab to book your seat.